Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss window functions in SQL. Okay, so what is a window, right? Suppose we fetch the data. Suppose we fetch the data from any of the table. Okay. You will see output somewhere sales data. Okay, the table sale is not exist. It should be sales. Okay, my bad. So you are able to see the output. Okay, you are able to see the output on a separate window. Okay, so actually this is window on which we can apply. We can apply some filters. Oh, sorry, some functions, not of filters. Okay, we can apply functions, and those functions are called window functions. Okay, basically we have two types of functions, like we can say that aggregation functions and non-aggregation functions. Non-aggregation functions, we can also call it as a ranking function. We can also call it as a ranking function. And aggregation functions, we are already aware. Okay, what are the different aggregation functions in SQL? So I will say aggregation functions. Okay, aggregation functions: sum, average, mean, max. Okay, so these are the functions, and last, count. So these are the 5 aggregation functions I have discussed already in my previous video. So these functions can be used on these window, but how to use? Over the, okay, over the, on this window. So to apply those functions on this window, you are supposed to use over clause. Over clause. Okay, I will discuss how to use over clause and all. Okay, then window functions. One more thing. Okay, window functions are used, always used with, or I can say window functions always used with the over clause. Okay, over clause. And this over clause, this over clause contain either order by clause to sort the data, or partition by clause to uh, group the data, to create a group. So we already seen what is a grouping or how group by clause works. Okay, I will show you that also. So I will first start with group by. I will say select star from, okay, sales. This is what my table, the record I can fetch. Out of this, I will select something called segment, and I would like to use this with sum of sales. Okay, sum group by function, and I will define group by segment. Okay, so this is what my SQL query, and I am going to execute this. We can expect what it will do. So we can see that it has added, okay, it has added all the rows for consumer sales value. Okay, it has added sales value for consumer segment. It is a total from the entire table. It is a total from the entire table versus segment. So what it does, basically group by reduce the number of rows. Okay, group by, okay, my bad. So basically I can say group by reduce the number of rows over which we can produce the same result, but window functions are not going to reduce the number of rows. Instead, it will create a result, same result, okay, for each row. Okay, now let's see how we can use. So I will say select, I will say segment, okay, I will say segment, comma, sum of same type of functions we are able to apply. And here I will define over. Over meaning on the window only, on the window only, this output window only. Okay, over. Okay, and from cells, from cells. This is what I did. Okay, if I do not pass anything here, it will return the sum of all the records. Okay, but I would like to create a partition, right? We have break the entire amount into three categories. That is what segment: consumer, corporate, home office. So same thing can be done here by using partition by clause, and you are supposed to give the column name on the basis of that partition should happen. And if I execute this again, it will produce the same result. Okay, if you see the output of group by for consumer 558297, and if I use the window function to produce the same result 558297, same output we are getting, but this function is not going to reduce the number of rows. It will not produce a single result for multiple rows. Okay, instead what it will do, it will produce the result for each row, and you will see all the rows. Okay, value will remain same for segment, value will remain for segment. You can compare each and every value, you will get the same output. Okay, only difference is that number of rows will remain same as output of same as a, I can say output of query, as an output of query. If any other filters are applied by using where clause, then this number of rows will be filtered. Otherwise, it will give the number of records which table has. Okay, so this is the difference between group by and over. I mean window function, group by and any kind of window function you can use, is not only the sum. Okay, you are not limited to the sum. Suppose if I say count, okay, so it will return me how many number of rows are there for the segment type consumer. So 2586 rows are there. 2586 rows are there in the table for consumer segment, right? I would like to see max cell. Yes, we can see max cell, and the result will remain same. Okay, from consumer segment 10,500 is the maximum selling amount. Okay, sales amount. Then from corporate segment 9,100 is selling amount. Okay, but it will not produce a single result, it will produce the result for each of the row. That is the use of window function. And window functions are always written with over clause. Inside that, again, we can add two clauses. First one is, what is the first clause? So partition by clause, to create a partition, and order by clause. Over clause always used with these two clauses. Okay, always used with these two. One I discussed here to create a partition. Okay, and any kind of aggregation function you can use. So this was about aggregation functions, aggregation window functions. Okay, now I would like to discuss non-aggregation window functions. So I will say non-aggregation, or instead of that I will say ranking aggregation functions. Okay, what are the three important functions? So there is a function called row number, there is a function called rank, there is a function called dense rank. And what is the use of this? Definitely I'm supposed to discuss that, otherwise there is no meaning to learn this. What is the use of aggregation or this ranking function? ranking window functions. My bad. Okay. Ranking window functions, not a ranking aggregation functions. Aggregation window functions and ranking window functions. These are the two types of window functions in SQL. Okay. Suppose I have a query. I will say select order, order ID. Okay. Order underscore date, then segment, then row. Instead of row, I will say region. Okay. Then sales, then quantity from table called sales, Okay. Yes. What is there? Okay. One field name is misspelled. That's why we are getting error. I corrected that. We are able to see the result. Okay. And I would like to sort the data based on the sales, and I would like to see the number of records, or I would like to fetch the number of records starting from 100th record. Okay, 100th record, or in between 100 to 200 rows. Okay, so I would like to sort these records. This is already sorted, but we can sort in over clause also, as I said, we can use order by clause. That is what we are going to do here. Okay, and I would like to see the middle records based on the row number. In that case, you can use row number function. Okay, same data set I will open in Excel. Okay, let me pick this. And what is going to happen if I use the row number? Okay, how to write, I will definitely show, but before that I would like to show you. Okay, so if I use row number function, so it will add row number. Row number always start with 1, 2, and it will keep increasing until it has, this query has number of rows. Okay, so instead of this, control Z. Okay, instead of doing this kind of calculation, what I will do, I will select these two and drag until end. Okay, so you can see that I have 5,900 rows in my data set. I will do the same. What I will do, I will add function, but if you want to add the function, you are supposed to use those functions. I will say row number. Okay, row number. Okay, and on which column we can say one over. Okay, over you are supposed to use. Okay, and if I execute this, we will get the row number. Okay, we will get the row number. But suppose I would like to sort the data. Okay, I would like to create a roll number based on sales or quantity or any other column. Yes, that is also possible. Suppose I would like to sort the data, my data on the basis of order date. You can do that also. If you want to sort the data based on region and sales, okay, whatever you want to do, you can do, but you are supposed to use order by clause. So now my sales data is in descending order by default. But what I will do, I will say sales. Okay, order by sales. By default, it will pick ascending order. And now my row numbers are created based on the sorted data, sorted sales data, right? And now I would like to see what is the value of row number 100, sales value for 100th row. Okay, as a, I will say row number. Okay, alias I am using nothing but alias, you can understand, I already discussed. Okay, I'm just giving a temporary name to this column. Okay, so this you can use, right? So now I would like to filter the record for 100 row. Okay, so you cannot use this query directly because this is added. Let me try whether it works or not. Where I don't think so. Row num is equal to 100. Okay, I'm just trying whether it is working or not, or it is giving me the syntax error. Yes, it is giving me the unknown column row number. So this column will get generated, but this is not going to work. This is not going to work. Then now, how to produce the result? How to produce the result? Okay, consider this table as a single table. Consider this table as a one more table, and I will use another statement called select. Okay, select star from this table. Okay, from this table, and what I can do on next line, since I put this entire query inside what we can say the inside the parenthesis, this will treat it as a separate table, and here I can say where row number is equal to 100. Okay, this way I think this will work, and this should work, but still every data table must have its own alias. Okay, you are supposed to. So this is the derived table, and it needs as cell test. Okay, this is what my table. Yes, and we are able to get the output. Okay, so this is new learning for me also, that we can do this, but you are supposed to use the alias for this table. Okay, you are supposed to use the alias for this table, otherwise this query is not going to work. Okay, so you can see that cells value is 3 for 100 number row. If you want to fetch the records between 100 to 200, okay, so you can say row number greater than or equal to 100. Okay, yes, and and I will say row number less than or equal to 200. Okay, so are we able to get the records for those many row numbers? Yes, we are able to get the records. So this is how we can use. This is how we can use row number. This is the use of row number. Similarly, what is the use of rank? The next function, rank. Okay, and what is the rank in database? Okay, so let's say I have a value called sales. Okay, suppose I have a value of 8,000 first. Then I will say 7,500. So rank, basically when we use rank, it sort the numbers in descending order automatically. Highest will have first rank. Then next value will have second rank. If I have same value, okay, if I have same value, it will have same rank. Okay, on my next value, what will happen? This is on my next value, what will happen? Suppose this is a rank, this is a row number, this is row number. Okay, so this is how we have data. Row numbers, we don't have any concern with row numbers, so I will say 2 and 3 4. Okay, this is how I have a row numbers. So what rank will do? Rank will keep the same rank for the same value. Rank will keep the same rank for same value, but whenever the value changes, it will pick the next row number as a rank. It will pick the next row number as a rank. If suppose I have a 7,000 again, it will keep the rank as a 4, but my row number is 5. On next line, my row number is 6, but my value got decreased to next. So if the value changes, it will pick the row number as a next rank. This is what the rank function use. This is what the rank function use. Okay, so what is the purpose of doing this rank? Basically, we have seen that we can create a partition. We have only used order by. Okay, what will happen if I create a partition on this? So I will say partition by. If I select sales regions or segments, something like this. Okay, partition by segments. Okay, or you can select any column. I will say region. That's not a problem. Okay, if I sort the data. Okay, so you can see row numbers. Okay, 100 to okay. Let me remove this filter so that it will not be a problem. This is not a problem actually, to show you the entire output how it is working. Okay, so what is the consumer segment? Sorry, central is a region. Based on region, we have created a row number, right? We have created a row number. So now if I sort the region, you can see that for west region, again, row number starts with 1. Okay, for row, if my region change, row number will again start with 1. So I would like to show you 1 second. Yes. South, and yes, not a south only. Yes. So west region has 1611 row number. After that, my region changed to south. Since it is sorted, so what it will do, it will start row number starting from 1 because of the partition by clause. Okay, so when we create a partition, what it will do? Okay, so it will create a row number. Okay, let's see. I have a few rank. Okay, or I will say region, and I will say E is my region. Yes, is my region. E is my region. Yes, is my region. But it will sort whenever we use E. So E, I will say E. Then yes. Okay. So like this, I have 2 regions. Okay. So what it will do, whenever we use partition by region, it will create 1, 2, 3 row number for this. When region changes, again it will start row numbers from 1 for that region. If new region comes in a picture, okay, so again it will start row number from 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is how this partition by clause works. Okay, I will keep this as it is. Okay, it was for the demo purpose. Don't focus on this rank now. And the same thing is going to happen here in case of rank also. Suppose if I change this to rank. Okay, let me keep this row number as it is. And do the same for rank. So now we will see the use of rank function. Okay. If I use this. So now you can see that order by sales is started from, let me change this to rank so that we will not have any confusion, right? Rank. Nothing changed. I only changed the function from row number to rank, and I only changed the alias name. Okay. Now, I would like to sort this data in descending order. Since ascending order, it is showing me the minimum value of central. Okay. The moment central region finish, okay, it will change the rank. Okay. For south it is 1. Again, rank will start from 1. Just 1 second. Whatever I told you, we will see that. Okay, so here region is getting changed. You can see that rank is started from 1. Okay, this is how it works. Now let's look for the same value, whatever I talked. So since rank is 1 because sales value is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 until we have sales value 1. Okay, now as I said, okay, so on 11th row or on 10th row, my sales value changed. So on next value, it has picked next rank. It has picked the next rank, right? Again, value remains same. I mean, next row number as a rank. Value remains same until we have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. The moment it says it changed to 3, it will pick the next row number as a rank. Okay. So this is how rank works. Now what I would like to do, I would like to find out a maximum cell amount for each region. Maximum cell amount for each region. What I can do, I can change the way of this ranking. So I will sort in descending order, and then I will create a rank. So now you can see that first rank is showing maximum amount for each region. Maximum amount. See, because we have sorted these cells by using order by cells descending order. Okay. Then what it will do, for each rank of 1, for every first rank, it shows maximum value, and we were able to fetch that also. So now we can say that where rank is equal to 1, where rank is equal to 1. So rank is equal to 1, meaning we are able to fetch the maximum value for each of region. Yes. So for central region, cells maximum value is this. For east region, cells maximum value is this much, 10,500. South region, similarly for west region, we are getting a maximum value. So this is what the use of this is what the use of only rank function. Next, dense rank. Okay, how this rank works. So this rank is not going to use the row number. Instead, it will use, the next number as a rank. Okay, suppose we have a value, it will give the first value as a first rank, then next value it will get second rank. Okay, on next line, obviously the value remains same, so it will give me the same rank for same value. On next line, what rank was doing, it was picking up row number. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so since it is sorted, I shown that. Okay, that's why. Otherwise, you are able to see that. Oh my God, 1, 2. The comparison. Okay, and it has picked the row number. But in the dense rank, it will not pick row number. Instead, it will pick next number as a rank. Okay, so 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, this is how it's going to work. Dense rank work, and this is the difference. Rank use same rank. Okay, both the ranks are going to use the same rank for same value, but the difference is that the range of how next number rank is assigned. Rank will pick row number as a rank. Dense rank will pick next number as a rank. This is what the difference between rank, row number, and dense rank. Same thing you can do here. Okay, and nothing much. If I use dense rank as a dense rank. Okay, and if I execute column rank, okay, rank is not exist, so you are supposed to pass dense rank here. That's why. But ranking system is used to find out maximum minimum value as per the partition created. Okay, group by function, group by clause is not going to help you with this kind of questions. So this is the use of window functions in SQL. I hope you got the clear picture. What is a window function? How we can use the window functions in SQL. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.